In this lesson, we're just going to look at how to capture our work. So as we move forward, you're going to need to know how to capture your work, maybe as a video, just so you can demonstrate all of the points that you're trying to get marked for. So one way you can do that, and a really successful way in school, is to use PowerPoint. Now if you open up a brand new PowerPoint document, just a completely blank one, and you head on over to the Insert tab, there's no need to save this document because we're just taking the screenshot out of it straight away. So we can head on over to the Insert tab, and then this button right at the end says Screen Recording. When you click on this button, what it allows you to do is record your whole screen, no matter what app you've got. So if you wanted to record your presentation, you could bring that one up, or if you wanted to record something else, you could bring that up. Anything that's on the screen you can record. Now one thing you're going to want to do is just draw out your area. So if you press this button here that says select area, and then you draw out the area. So if I draw out this whole area around everything that's in my desktop, so if I want to capture the whole screen, that's absolutely fine. And when you're ready, you just press the record button. Now if you've got a microphone plugged in, it will record your voice as well. It will record your mouse cursor if you've selected that option, and you can head into different websites, or you can head into different things, and you can record anything as a video, anything you want. It's completely up to you. Anything that's on your screen, it will record. At the moment I'm just recording the web browser and I'm moving it around. If I want to record my PowerPoint, I can record the PowerPoint as well. That's absolutely fine. Anything I want to do. And when you're ready to finish, you just hover your mouse at the top and it will bring down this bar here, and you can just press stop. Okay, so once you press stop, you'll come back over to PowerPoint. And what it does is it inserts this media as an element into PowerPoint. Now obviously that's not what we want. So in order to get it out of PowerPoint, all we do is right click on it and we say save media as. So let's put this in an appropriate folder. So currently we're working on this app project, so I'm just going to put it into my screen captures folder, and I'm going to give it an appropriate name. So I'm going to call it something like assignment 1. Okay, so once you call it assignment 1, you can just press save and you are done. So like I said before, you don't need to save this PowerPoint, so we're just going to say don't save, and let's head on over to our folder. And here's my screen captures one, and there it is there. So if I just press play now, you'll notice that everything I recorded will be there. Let's move it into play. And because I've got my microphone, obviously it's recording that as well. And that's it. That's how you capture a video for your assignment.